Hello everybody from Plant Reviews UK. Today is the 17th of April and in this video I am talking about one of the largest flowered tulip species, that is Tulipa ingens, that I bought from Miniature Bulbs shop. This is a species that is native to Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, and is, like all tulip, a bulbous plant, so it forms a bulb underground from which every year the plant sprout in winter, autumn or winter, and bloom in spring. The leaves are bluish green, so-called glaucous scientifically, botanically, and they are about, I would say, 20 centimeters long, but of course it's the flowers what is really striking about this plant. It is one of the reddest tulip, I would say. The color is a very vivid scarlet with a black blotch, central blotch in the center, as you can see. I think, yes, it is quite evident, of course. And well, obviously when planted in group, even in a pot, it is absolutely stunning, of course, in the garden as well. The flowers can be up to 20 centimeters across, so really big, and it is not a very common species in cultivation. I never found it in garden centers for sale. Indeed, I bought it online. There are a few nurseries that have this species available for sale. About the hardiness of this plant, is like many tulips, is quite hardy. This is a hardy from USDA zone 4 to 8, so can actually stand a pretty cold climate. Very important is, of course, that you plant the bulbs in very well drained soil, and ideally full sun, or at least partial shade, in order of course to allow the plant to make the most energy from the photosynthesis from the sun. And the bulb also goes dormant. The plant goes dormant in summer, so the leaves are present only between winter and spring, sometimes late autumn, but in late spring, early summer, the foliage dies down, and the only living plant of the only living part of the plant is the underground bulb. The bulbs need to be planted about 10-15 centimeters deep underground. About the fragrance of this tulip, I couldn't smell much of a fragrance. It is a very light honey scented fragrance, but really negligible. I would say that as stunning as this species is, it's not absolutely a fragrant tulip at all. However, definitely I can recommend it if you want a splash of color in the garden. If you go with Tulipa ingens, everybody will notice it. Definitely look at how beautiful are the flowers. A difference of Tulipa ingens in comparison to other tulips is that the flowers are actually kind of star shaped. As you can see, the 6 tepals are shaped in like a star. Most of the other tulips usually have a cup shaped flower, and this of course contributes to the fact that the flowers are really big when they open completely. And well, I am not repeating myself. You can just see yourself how stunning is the color is with this bright red contrasting so much with the black central part of the flowers. The anthers as well are black. I'm trying to focus on the flower. The anthers are black, the pollen is black as well, while the stigma, the female part of the plant, is bright yellow. And I think, yeah, you can see very clearly here the triangular stigma, yellow, really emerging from the black of the center, and of course very evident against the red of the rest of the flower. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. As usual, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, it would be great if you could please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video and the other videos on my channel, would be great, of course, if you can please subscribe. This is completely free for you, but in this way you notify YouTube that you like my videos, and YouTube in turn promotes my channel on the platform. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye.